tous et bienvenue sur notre chaîne. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you the number 1 to 20. You can see in my previous video I was teaching 0 to 50 and also 51 to 100. If you are watching me for the first time, then my name is Khezran and I'm your French teacher. So let's get started. How will you say 1 in French language? 1. You say 2, 2, 3, for 3, 3, 4, for 4, 4, 5, for 5, 5, 6, for 6, 6, 7 for 7, 8 for 8. I repeat, 8, 8 for 8, 9 for 9, 9 for 9, 10 for 10. 10, D-I-X. You pronounce it as 10, right? I repeat again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will start from 11, 11 for 11, 12 for 12, 13 for 13, 13 for 13, 14 for 14, 15 for 15, 16 for 16, 17 for 17, 18 for 18, 19 for 19, 20 for 20. I repeat it again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So look at here. How will you remember it in easy way? Like the number 11 to 16, all these numbers end by Z-E at last. Like 11, which is 11, 11, O-N-Z-E. Now for 12 you say 12, D-O-U-Z-E. For 13 you will say, for 13 you will say 13. How will you write 13? T-R-E-I-Z-E. It ends by Z-E, right? Now for 14 you will say 14. How will you write it? Q-U-A-T-O-R-Z-E, right? For 15, which is very short, 15. 15. How will you write it? Q-U-I-N-Z-E. And now for 16, you will say 16. Like that you are writing, like that you say 6, 6, but it is 16. 16. How will you write it? S-E-I-Z-E. So all the number, which is from 11 to 16, all end by Z-E at last, right? Now if we see 17, 18, 19, how will you write it and how will you pronounce it? You will write it as 10 plus 7, 17, like 10 plus 7. 17 means 17. 17. Okay, so for 18, what you say? 18. It is like 10 plus 8, 18. Right? For 19, you will say 19, like 10 plus 9, 19. Right? For 20, it is very short, 20. 20. Like you say 1, but you add V, 20. Right? But how will you write it? V-I-N-G-T, 20. T is silent. Don't forget, T is silent. Okay? Can we repeat together from 1 to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Alright? We complete it now. Don't forget to watch our previous video, which is about 0 to 50 and 51 to 100. I hope to see you in my next video. See you. Bye bye. Take care. Au revoir et à très bientôt.